We'll guide you through how to recover deleted files in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive's website. Make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're in, look on the left side of the screen, and you'll see an option called Trash. Click on that. This is where Google Drive stores files you've deleted. You can think of it as a safety net for all the files you might have accidentally removed. Once you're in the trash, you'll see a list of files that you've deleted in the past 30 days. Google Drive keeps these files for a month, giving you a window to recover them. Find the file you're looking to recover. When you've located it, right-click on the file. A menu will pop up. Here, you'll see an option that says Restore. Click on Restore, and just like that, your file will be moved back to its original location in your drive. It's a simple process, but it can save you a lot of trouble if you've accidentally deleted something important. Remember, if a file has been in the trash for more than 30 days, Google Drive will permanently delete it, so it's crucial to act quickly if you notice something missing. This method is only applicable for files deleted within the past 30 days, so always keep an eye on your trash for anything you might need to restore. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.